Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the basophiles. Their cell types is granulocytes and diameter in the 10 to 15. Nucleus is blue-violet S shape, not clearly seen because overlaid with the granules. Cytoplasm is bluish. Cytoplasmic granules, large, very coarse, variable sized, deep purple seen separately, completely fill the center and cover the nucleus. Granules contain heparin, histamines, bradykinin, serotonin, eosinophils, and the chemotactic factor, slow reacting substance. Function of the basophiles essential for immediate type hypersensitivity reactions. Example is the urticaria, rhinitis, anaphylactic shock, IgE mediated allergies. They have receptors for the constant region of IgE molecules. The allergens and the IgE molecules possibly form a complex with the basophiles which lead to the allergic manifestations. Protections from some parasitic infections. Example the scabies. Heparin released by the basophiles after a meal and may facilitate the post-absorptive metabolisms of dietary triglyceride by activating the lipoprotein lipase. Basophile structure is that. Next is the monocytes. Agranulocytes diameter is 12 to 20, nucleus is pale blue violet and large, single indented or the horseshoe or the kidney shape. Cytoplasm is abundant, frostily state blue. Amount may be large than that of the nucleus. Cytoplasmic granules are the there are the no visible granules. Functions of the monocytes. Major roles in the innate as well as acquired immunity become activated by the lymphokines from T lymphocytes, phagocytose, microorganisms as well as inert particles. Secrete 1L1, TNF, GCSF and the MCSF processes and the present the antigens to immunocompetent cells destroy the senescent RBC and initiate the catabolism of hemoglobin. Next is the structure of the monocytes, that is there are the monocytes in that structure. Lymphocytes are the cell type small lymphocytes, agranulocytes, large lymphocytes, agranulocytes. In case of small lymphocytes, there are the size 7 to 9 and nucleus deep blue, violet, single, large, round, almost fill the cell. Condensed lumpy chromatin gives the ink spot appearance. Cytoplasm is hardly visible, thin crescent of clear light blue cytoplasm. Cytoplasmic granules, no visible granules. In case of large lymphocytes, agranulocytes 10 to 15 deep blue violet, single large round or oval centric or eccentric, and cytoplasm is large crescent of the clear light blue. Cytoplasm amount larger than in small lymphocytes, and cytoplasmic granules is no visible granules. Function of lymphocyte directly involving specific acquired immunity. T lymphocytes cell mediated immunity and B lymphocytes humoral immunity. Small lymphocytes and there are the large lymphocytes in their structures. Lymphocytes, eosinophils, basophils and monocytes and segmented PMN. Normal count is the lymphocyte